That's my tippy bird. Look at this. We got real water, folks. This is California. 4 years of drought. Relieved today with a thunderstorm. Look at that. A wet street. Who would think? Oh boy. And I just finished fixing the sprinkler system. I'd say just in time. Look at this. It's actually raining. Ha! It's nice to listen to. Such a rare sound in these parts. Got a baby shower going on 2 doors down. Kristen and Anthony, our new neighbors. Look at this. Coming right off the roof. Boy. Mm.